Hey guys,
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing?
it's Tasha,
This is Matthew.
and we are coming to you today with a cooking video.
Oh yeah,
Cooking with Tasha and Matt,
that's right.
but probably mostly Matt because he's not gonna let me do anything. So I will be behind the camera while he's cooking and doing what he do. So we ain't gonna prolong this video. We're gonna get right into cooking.
Let's get it started.
And excuse us for looking like this. We just come from the gym from working out, so excuse us for looking a little thrown away. But anyway, into the cooking we go. So first thing we have to do is what, Matt?
Get these hands washed.
Wash them hands.
You know what I'm talking about?
Wash them hands.
Soap it up real good. A little more of this lemony soap.
Ooh, the lighting is not good over here by the sink. Come on, Matt. You ain't got all day to wash your hands. Stay clean and clean.
So what I'm doing right now is just I'm gonna cook up this little meal I got. It's supposed to be for workout purposes, this little healthy meal. So what I got, a little bit of grilled chicken.
It's chicken breast. It's not grilled yet. It's just
Grilled chicken breast, seared chicken, however you want to say it. It's chicken, right?
It's chicken strips, y'all, in the pack. Chicken strips. He haven't did nothing to them yet, so it's
Got
just
next,
raw chicken.
peas, snaps. That's what we got, right?
Green
I'm
beans.
gonna do these. Then, all-time favorite, brown rice. Gotta have a brown rice. All right. So we're gonna get this started. First thing I wanna do is just clean off my meat. Get my meat cleaned off.
So you gotta wash the meat.
I'm gonna wash the meat off, make sure it's cooked off pretty good. For all you cookers out there, you wanna rinse this off. Make sure you get all that residue off the meat. Drain it off really good. One more time, rinse it off. I got over here is what we call a little cooking board. I advise one of y'all to invest in one of these.
Chopping board.
Cooking board, chopping board, however you want to call it. She over here trying to be Mr. Autocorrect.
You gotta call it what it is.
Is it cutting board, chopping board, cooking board, whatever you want to call it. So I sit my meat on here so I know what I got. This is where I do my seasoning now. I got 2 more packs to cook, but I just want to show y'all what we're doing. So what I did was grab a few of my specials. Can't let y'all know all my secrets, but here we go. This is the start. All-time favorite Greek seasoning. Bam! This is what you want right here. This is a perfect seasoning for any meat you want to cook, whether it's steak, pork, chicken, however you want to do it. This is good for seafood too. It's an all-purpose seasoning, so I like the taste of it. It's real flavory.
He can start using that till he got with me, and I put him on that.
Can't let a man be great. Can't let a man be great.
This is one of my favorite seasonings, though. I use it on everything.
So what I do is a light coat right there. Got a light coat like that. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime is I'm gonna turn my eye. I want to see you want to turn it down like between 6 and 7. Get your lights a little slow cook. I suggest canola oil or vegetable oil. One of the two. This is good for cooking purpose if you want to stay healthy. You want to make sure you get your little canola oil and vegetable oil. It's really good for cooking. So I get me a couple little capfuls of this in there. Get you about 2 or 3. You want to make sure you just coat the bottom of the pan really good. So wherever your chicken go on the pan, you know, slide around. You have a nice little, won't be sticking everywhere. So, next thing you want to do is just swirl it around like this a little bit, just get it around there. You want to get you a good pan, a non-stick pan, so when the chicken cook or whatever you put in your pan, your protein, whatever, it won't stick in the bottom of your pan and tear your chicken up. All right. Hopefully I won't tear mine up. So, another thing I got, what we call basil. I like to use basil with a lot of stuff because it gives it a kick flavor. You know, it gives it a different little flavor. So I put a little bit of this on pretty much vegetables, meat, stuff like that. Pastas, you can use it a lot for that stuff too. But right now, we're gonna try this out, okay? Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna coat this chicken with a little bit of garlic. It's gonna be a little hot. In the meantime, while I'm doing that, I'm gonna rinse my green beans off. So,
You gonna cook that whole bag?
yeah, I'm gonna do the whole bag. I'm gonna do the whole bag because I want to have something left out for work tomorrow. So I'm gonna take this out, just dump it out in here. And what I'm gonna do is I put it in one of these drain bowls where you get the little drain, the water come out of there. You know, so I'm gonna rinse this off. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start putting our chicken in right now.
What you got in there?
I got a little basil in the bottom of the pan just for the flavor part of it. The little flavor. Now we're gonna sit this chicken on there and let it start cooking.
Ooh, that sounds good. So,
Go ahead and put these in there.
if you ain't got one of these pans, get you one. This pan is so long. I love it. I want to cook everything in it. Washing it is so easy. Nothing sticks to it. It's amazing. This is one investment that was very good and money well spent.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this brown rice. Here you go. Give me a little bit of water. I'm gonna get this back eye going. Let's see.
Do you need me to assist you with anything?
No, I got it.
What I tell y'all, you wasn't gonna do nothing.
All right, so I'm pouring my brown rice.
You ain't gonna measure it. You just mentally measure it.
Yeah. That's about enough right there for the night. So I'm gonna set my eye, rear eye. I'm gonna put it back on 7. Go ahead and get it going. So, got my rice going, got my chicken going.
What's that?
A little Del seasoning, just a little bit. I'm gonna just probably put like a capful in here. Just give a little flavor. Not much.
Oh, okay.
That's about it on that. Make sure my oil is in there good. Alright. Now I'm gonna come back over here to my peas.
Chicken is good.
I'll let the water drain out of that. What I want to do now is get a little bit more of this vegetable oil. And I'm gonna turn this front eye on about 7. About 7. I'm put a little oil in the bottom of this. Alright. That's about good right there.
Man, why you don't let me help? You don't think I'm a good cook?
I think you're a great cook.
You just saying that for the camera?
Nope. Well,
You said no. Well, what?
nope. So,
You changed the subject.
I'm gonna put some of these in here. Get them going. And then eventually I'm going to season when they cook down a little bit. But for right now, I'm going to just put them in there, let it steam up a little bit, get them going. See your chicken starting to whiten around the bottom. It means it's about time for it to start flipping. All right. So let's see what it looks like. It's gotta turn white. It's got a little browning on the bottom.
Oh, that's good. That's from the sauce, right?
Yep.
Ooh, that looks good. And it smells. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells so good.
This is what that basil did. It gives it that little Italian look. It gives it a whole bunch of flavor, so let that cook on both sides. And flip them about twice.
So we got the chicken going, the rice going, and the peas going. Or the beans, I'm sorry, beans going. Okay, he's seasoning the green beans right now. Was that garlic powder?
This garlic powder, giving it a little flavor. And then I put a little bit of Greek seasoning on there as well.
Okay, y'all, so the chicken is done. He has put it on the plate.
Now he's about to wash out this pan. I just want you guys to see how good this pan is.
I'm gonna find just wipes. Just wipes right out. No.
So I forgot to mention this to you guys, but I got a little black beans going right here to add to my rice. I'm gonna drain the juice off of that so it don't be all in the rice.
Okay, so food is done. He has fixed the plates.
Voila, this is my finishing touches, you guys. This is what we got so far. So this is portioned out to our metabolic weight. This is what we can eat. We eat in less than what our body requires, actually. This is my plate, of course, and that's hers. So since I'm a little bigger, I got an extra piece of chicken.
Okay, we're gonna bless the food and then we're gonna taste test it.
Let's bow our heads. Thank you, dear Lord, for the food we're about to receive, for the nourishment of our bodies, for your sake, in Jesus' name. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Amen.
Amen. Okay, go ahead and taste. Let us know. Every little thing tastes, and then I'm gonna taste. Go ahead. You taste first. Oh my God. Taste one of them.
Let's do this.
Okay, so he's tasting the chicken first. Good? All right.
Right on, right on.
Okay. You gotta taste the beans and rice.
So yeah, gotta blow it first. Pretty good, just the right amount of flavor.
Okay, now the beans.
Let's see.
You gotta take the stems off the beans.
Oops.
I could have done for you.
But that's pretty good. It all turned out pretty good.
Okay, my turn. All right, so taste the chicken first. What is this chicken called?
Seasoned, grilled, or sauteed chicken. On my own recipe to it.
Pretty good.
Double scooping.
Rice and beans pretty good. Let's see about these. Yeah, he did an excellent job.
As always.
Yeah, so we're gonna finish eating this. We'll be back with y'all. Alright guys, so we are closing out this video. We are good and full. The food was good. Let us know what you felt about this video.
That's right. Drop your comments in the box below. Let us know what you think. And if you have some more ideas about something we can do, whether it's cooking or anything, just let us know. Just drop comments in the box.
Yes, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Tell your mama, tell your daughter, tell your sister now. Subscribe.
Sir.
Come on, subscribe to our channel. Till next time, you guys, I'm Tasha.
This is Matthew.
See ya.